We're going over to the house.
We're going to Jess's house.
Watch out for your feet. I already ran over Lisa's. So, can I get on you?
No.
Huh?
There's 3 people in the maximum.
And then I have to run in my house and then run back out.
Yeah, we're going to our house.
No,
Come.
testing. No, you're not.
Come on,
Yeah, we
Olivia.
are.
We could go a little faster. I got my foot ran over by you, and I'm still telling you to go faster. My poor shoe.
So, no, Lisa, you had to ask to go. You're dead.
Kaylee, she's right over there. It's not like we're going down the street or anything.
You're not allowed to bring them on.
Yes, we are, Kaylee. Olivia, that way. Kaylee, move.
There's a tree there though, so watch the tree. Wait, you're clear.
And
Clear. Tree right there.
I see it.
Okay, and there's one there too. But you're clear. Except for that pole.
Olivia, please tell me we're not going up on her.
Lisa, you hold
Oh,
on.
don't go on my hill.
Oh, got one.
Oh, we have 2. Yay.
Okay.
Woo!
Yeah, go through here.
There's a pole there.
See it.
Okay, now go around this way. Yeah, go this way. No, not all the way that way, because my hill is big.
I wish your golf cart was working.
Me too.
Huh?
Ow, me too. Okay, go this way.
Ooh, does your golf cart work?
That way.
Okay, this is good here. I'll probably just run around. I don't know if that door's open or not.
Right.
Go this
The
way.
door's
This
open.
way. To the right.
The door's open, Jess.
Okay, we'll stop here then.
Stop here. Stop here.
Oh, jeez. Hold this. Don't go.
My dad said you guys were on the Murphy's lawn.
Oh, we were?
Yeah. So next time go on the hill and then go down. What? You guys were on Murphy's lawn.
No, we weren't.
Yes, you were. He lives right there.
Yeah, but that was Jess's, because that was Jess's pole.
No, that is his next time. Go up on the hill, go down.
Fine.
You were on the Murphy's lawn.
What?
Said so.
It's okay, kid.
I got you.
It's okay, kid. They're not gonna hear.
Bye, Kaylee.
Cool like that.
What?
Ready?
I don't know.
Are you sure you're safe there?
Tired of riding, I guess.
As long as that's not gonna hit me. I'm good.
Oh, we're still recording.
Oh.
Here, pick one.
Hi. I don't know. Just give me one.
Olivia is going backwards.
What? Olivia, your hair is beautiful. You look like Xanadu.
Oh, gosh. Okay, let's go, Olivia.
All right, where are we going? Can we
I
go
don't
through your
know.
front
Right
yard?
now, we're going backwards really slowly.
Yeah, go around this way. Like somewhere we can. I feel like I'm a secret agent
That's
spy
your
with my.
tree, isn't it?
No, that's Murphy's tree.
Oh,
That's our
the
pole
golf
over there, but
cart.
You can go over there because.
Oh, just go this way.
Not on
This This is where I got my foot stuck. Kaylee, are you okay?
Okay.
Right there.
Kaylee, are you okay?
Yeah, she's fine. She's just being dramatic.
Oh, God.
Don't do that, Kaylee,
Don't
okay?
do
'Cause
that.
it sounds like you're getting hurt. Okay.
All right, go.
We're going back around or we're going?
No.
This way? Okay. Look at that tree right there. I feel like a...
Be careful, there's a tree ahead. I already been to there once. I just find out.
Oh, gosh. Oh, Olivia, ow. No, you don't hurt me, Jess. Olivia's leg is kind of going into a certain area and it hurts.
Hey, I gave my other spot.
No.
Oh, don't go up, don't go up, don't
Go
go
up the hill, go up the hill, go up the hill.
Do a healing,
Up the hill.
healing. Don't go up, you can do a healing like that, Johnny. I was alive.
I'm alive.
Go down, go down.
Be careful, though.
That's
Excuse me,
Mr.
sir.
Fly.
We've been chasing you for 3 years, and we finally
That's my
got you.
daddy.
Not you, him.
Wave. Are we done? Yeah. Ow. Ow, Olivia, on my hair.
That was much
Olivia, what do you have to say about that?
I'm trapped.
I'm going up. How are you trapped? Because things are blowing up.
Get him.
Dad, can I take me and Katie back there now?
No way. No, I told you you can't drive.
My shoe.
Mommy said
Okay, let's go inside and watch these videos.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
I'm getting a drink.
Goodbye.